Oh boy. ECA? Ah, I don't think it is. The ECA would have the logo on it. But it doesn't. So it's a mystery. Oh, elevators. I like this. It's elevators and mystery. Wow. Look at this thing. It's nice. Wonder what it'll be. It's nice and fucking slow, that's for sure. Passenger elevator, I don't know if it's working. I hope it is, because passenger elevator is also vintage, but it has different fixtures. So I want to get a look at that too. Nice hard stuff. I gotta hold it. Might be. As per usual, it is hot as balls outside, and I'm currently sweating bullets. Interesting cab. This might be an ECA. Oh look, you can see the shaft going by between the chassis and the cab wall. Oh yeah, it's an ECA. Ah, bummer, I wish I didn't paint over the fucking logo. Gotta love ECA. I've never ridden a bad, yes I have. I have ridden a bad ECA, Emerald Tower. I think it was a piece of shit. Otherwise, besides Emerald Tower, I have not ridden a bad ECA. That's kind of Montgomery's fault because they modded it. That is it for this one. Hopefully the passenger, if it's, in case it's not working, here it is. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Bummer. Look at this thing. That's it.